You deserved it. What are you fucking pun, man? Don't make me. I'll go shove this foot up your ass. I would like to be able to strip them of their armor. That would be a handy thing. If you kill them and they've still got armor on, it pops off them or something. All the bones. Where's the bone holder? Oh. Yeah, I found it now. Oh, we do need those skulls and everything too. I think I've got them all. Shelf too. Yeah. 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 Actually, I've got 3 cloth. I'll keep the cloth for now. It's actually. We're only feeding it leaves, man. It actually makes total sense, but I know it's annoying, but like it was bizarre that you feed it one leaf and it stay all night, you know. Don't know. Well, let's do the measurement. I'll put one over. I'm going to set up one over here, and I'll put a cache on it and see how long it burns for. Yeah, exactly. So we'll do just a 1. That's about 30 seconds. Yeah.
Back. What's that? Yeah. Yeah. Pretty massive meal. You guys still working away? Oh no. There's a lot of words. Oh, I'm stuck. Who is?
He's a cannibal.
She's got blood all over her. Can I kill her?
Nah, put it down.
Can I just take one of her legs off? It's got a spare one.
There
What
we
are you doing to
go.
her? What? What do you do that?
Sexy. Yeah. Dude, this fire is still lit. Nothing. I put nothing on it. I lit it and it's still lit. I haven't left the area. I've just been hanging here and I'm wondering if that's a key. Yeah, because... Oh, there we go. So how long was that? That was like 5 minutes. It was, yeah, well, 2 or 3 minutes at least. It's you, man. Your fires are bad. Are you doing 2 sticks or 4? Yeah, okay, yep. Oh, well, yeah, I don't know. Maybe we're just... Yeah, whatever. I'm a bit high, so I'm getting easily sidetracked.
Oh, that's cool. When you put one thing onto your mixing table, it darkens everything that can't be
Yeah,
used.
yeah. So you can figure out some of the things. Yeah.
A tech armor, cool. Bone armor. Time bomb.
I think we need to hit a cave of some sort. Yeah, leave him here. I'll get him when he comes back. Ah, yeah, true. We should ditch some supplies.
Where's that fire go? Huh.
Oh my god. I was just about to go and start cutting down a tree saying, we need more logs. No, we do not. Yeah. Make a shelf.
Maybe the fire went out because it was in the wind.
Could be. You do have a protected one, which might make it burn longer. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Crunchy munchies. Canned food. I'm just gonna halve my stock, I guess. Don't need fucking 10 tarps. Awesome. I'm pretty good with mine too. Yeah, I don't need my pistol. Actually, it's mine. Arrows could be useful. What we really need, we need fuckloads of feathers, right? Okay. I'll see how many I got. Oh yeah, I got 28. I got heaps. Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna go. Shouldn't we be able to sleep in the house? Oh, I've got a gun. Yeah. I've got a gun and a crafted bow.
Yeah, rack them up. I've got 16 now. Yeah. And that yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah, and we've been shooting them. Yeah, I gave up trying to do it. I was using the heavy weapons on those guys because they were, like you say, they're soaks. But fuck. Okay, nice, nice. Yeah. We could, yeah, we just pull each other up. Okay, so I got 20 stone arrows. I got 3 3D printed, but I still got only 4 carbon. Damn. That'll be fine though. I've done it with worse. Yeah. Alright, do it then. Which cave? We're going up to the initial cave? I don't actually know which one would be good. The rebreather. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Stun gun's kind of lame. Well, let's do that. Let's do the shark one because it's actually pretty cool little cave as well. So. And we've got enough food, got enough water. Okay then. You there, Mark?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm here.
Oh yeah, just filling my bottle. Okay. This way. No, down to the shore, isn't it? Is it that one behind? Hang on, where are you guys? Okay, is it that one over there? Down that way, or is it up the hill that way? Alright. Okay. Yeah, well, okay, I have no idea if this is actually the rebreather cave, so... Right. It's fine. Just don't jump. I told you, man, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Oh. Fuck off. I haven't got any weapons. Yeah, okay, here we go. Fuck you, son. Oh, you nailed him. Nice. Three. Four. Right. Yeah. Have you guys noticed that your health is getting larger? Health pool?
Where?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and most of the 5th block. We started out with 4 and just a little bit.
Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.5. 4.25. Okay. Do you see that from the markers?
Ow. Party time. Are we on the right beach though? Not sure. Yeah. Don't think so actually, I think we... Oh yeah.
If we do see a site we've already been to, we should just have a quick look and check out the binoculars are there if we're going past. Yeah, I told him.
Oh yeah, we should get those.
I'm here.
Yeah, that'd be cool. No, I don't know. Yeah. Gonna unseal the cave. Oh no! Now it's unsealed. Honestly, we just unsealed it now. Plugged. Oh, tank. Yes, guys, as we use it, mate. Ammo. I'm up ahead. It's all clear for a minute. Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Like the geometry, maybe. You know. Yeah, feel good.
That noise. That water looks amazing. How crazy is that effect?
It does look sick.
With the light going through it.
Yeah.
It's very 2D though
Like
when you
it's
look at around the corner.
Yeah,
Anything
we've
else to
got
pick
one
up?
ahead. No, it doesn't look like it.
There's people down there.
Yeah, watch them. Oh, finger. 2 fingers. Let's back up to across the water. Okay, now these guys should be fine. We've just got to not get.
Oh, they're
stuck.
fighting each other.
No, they're just charging around. Guys, get back. I'm going to chuck a nade. There's heaps of them. Okay. Hang on. No, chuck it. Got one.
Got another grenade?
No. We can deal with the little guys fine once the finger is down. Yep. No. Ow. Oh, he's going down. He's not dead. Ow. Just took my head off, Mark.
Oh, sorry. I thought I was just seeing the guy. Where are my arrows gone?
Just... Yeah. Chill. Fuck me.
Give me my arrows back. Oh, I'm skinning the guy from his rectum. Oh, there goes another guy here. Oh, there's a bigger guy down there. What a really big noise.
How the fuck do I even... Okay. Shoot him in the leg. Oh, that's you. Yep. Do it. Well, it shares, doesn't matter. Yep. It's loot rules. Well, I think so. It could be 4.
I got my arrows back.
I can do this one.
What do we want this disgusting flesh for?
Okay, I got 2 pieces.
Disgusting. Parallel universes book. Okay, where's that? Oh yeah. Bottom right, did you say? Oh yeah. Where? What the fuck?
Okay, so we might have to do rounds on this. keep everybody's armor up at least 2 pips. And yeah, that's all that I got too. So we'll try and work it. Okay, this is next. I'm out of. Yep. Yep, please don't shoot me. He's on fire. Going in again. Ow. Took my arm down the bastard. I need one. I've got no armor. Okay. And the rest is yours.
What is? Oh no, I chopped it up.
He's bugged.
It's bugged. I chopped it up. Just press the chop up button. What?
Hang on. Have I got my axe? Yeah, I'm gonna chop it. Man, fuck. Alright, lots of bones here.
That is with the flashlight. It's still pretty scary.
Yeah. Okay, so shall we go to the Zapta? No, we should go down. Let's. I don't know how good these clubs are, but I'm gonna roll for a second. Skull clubs, man.
There's stuff to pick up yet? So many bones. What do I want these for? A fish. Oh, I'm eating it. Where'd you guys go? You're miles away. Yeah, got the red light.
Yeah, no. There's 2 of them, yeah. Sorry. Back up.
Ah,
Nice. Nice shot. I'm trying to get my boat. Fuck up his legs. Alright. Who needs armor then? Yeah, grab some. Yeah, you just got to pull them. You just got to pull them back a bit instead of rushing.
disgusting.
Hang on, I'm gonna get this skin. I need some skin.
Okay, bro.
No more armor. Okay, I got models. I got 6 of them. So I could be on that duty. And yeah, okay. Well, I'll run the arrows. You keep it lit until we hit a fight or whatever, you know. Oh, fuck yeah! That's what I needed. Whoa, fuck!
Oh, there's stuff there. Where'd you find stuff?
Whoa.
Oh yeah, heaps of stuff there.
Fuck him up. Whoa!
There's stuff down here too.
Got him. Fucking hell.
Yeah, baby. Anytime.
Yep, take the armor. He missed me every time. Ah, fucking hell! What was that?
Nothing.
Ah, fucking knows, Mark.
It's just a flare. I thought you know like a flare. To light it up. Oh, okay.
Must have bounced off me, I guess.
Sorry.
No, I think it made me do the grunt, but I don't think it actually did damage. Alright, fucking hell. Ah, shit, I think we split up.
Oh, there's little babies on the floor. Oh.
Actually, this is a dead end, so it's cool.
There's no other way to go. There's babies in here.
Yeah. At a time. Ah!
Very hard to hit.
The yeah.
There was something here. Oh, I got some sort of weird gun thing.
Ah, we got it. Nice. Yes, the stun gun, eh?
Oh, there's a crazy noise back here, but it's dead end. Dead end.
Oh, that humming.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you can stun him.
We stun that guy.
Yeah.
Did he twitch?
Yeah, it's good move. Hey, look, guys.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, there's something back there. Did you see that?
Yeah. Ah, holy fuck. Yep.
Yeah, Molly when he walks past.
Oh, yeah. No, let's not waste a grenade. I'll throw it.
No, it might come back on us as well. It might be
No,
like
it- It's alright. Stand back,
Oh.
Mark.
Yes, I am.
Hope it doesn't explode on me.
So, is there a way to get through that guy? No.
Here he comes. Oh, he's on fire. Oh, no. No, he's not. I think it's just the light. Oh, no. No. It's a blob. Yeah. It's like the first hint of what you're going to see later on, I guess. Ah, solid.
Where? Oh yeah. Anything else?
Yeah, fuck up.
Do you reckon we can like C4 this thing here and get through here?
No.
This icy bit?
We don't have any of that yet in the game. I think that is literally just to scare the shit out of you when you notice the blob bit.
Yeah, the caves are just huge.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
That changed the music.
Although Living on the
Did you
beach
get the
doesn't
plane?
seem like a dream. We have struggles like everyone else. These are my friends. This
Okay,
is
Amazing
my-
so
reception.
and this is
we need
Jennifer,
to, yeah,
California.
we need to get out to that junction, don't we? Go down, where we go down towards the dark.
I don't think so. It's pretty far.
Yeah.
I think. Is it here?
Yeah, this is it. Okay, I'm gonna have a bit more food. Crunchy onesie!
That's some ramen.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, I see. They don't feel as much health as they used to. They used to do a double of like almost fill you up and also give you a lot of energy. Now just give you energy. Fuck, I lost you guys. Sorry. Yeah, make sure you don't neglect any little side chambers, because that's where you find the bits of loot.
Shark!
Yeah. Cool, isn't it?
I'm gonna throw a flare at it. Should I shoot in the head?
Yeah, if you want. Oh, you don't have to.
Didn't work. Bullets are really... I heard that bullets only go like 10 to 20 centimeters in water before they become non-lethal.
In real, yeah,
Yeah.
in real life. Sure.
You don't have to swim far down at all.
We still gotta get past the shark. Oh, right. And he just has a numb. Okay, cans
I'll come
over
back at
here.
this.
And some wire. Where's the rebreather, hey? Yeah, it should be.
How do I throw the limb?
Hey. Oh, yeah, let's...
What's
You
that
got all
blowy
this stuff
sound?
over here,
Oh, that's the flare.
Mark?
Yeah, I think I got it all.
Got the rebreather?
That's the main thing, is it?
Yep.
Yeah, I have no idea what I was picking up.
Okay, cool. But you got
assume
it,
so.
so yeah, we can. I actually just stabbed the fuck out of the shark with a spear when it comes past here. Yeah, right. Yeah,
Not very about those. Yeah, how do you throw it, the limb?
you just I don't know if you can really throw, but I do G from the bottom of the from the pack. You know what I mean? From the open pack.
Oh, it's G.
The throw button, the drop. I think it is.
Oh.
Which is a bit weird. Yep.
Where'd you go? Oh.
He's coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's coming!
Is it?
Oh fuck! Yeah!
Oh, really? I was
behind
wondering
me!
if it would chase us through this.
No,
Holy
it's
shit.
not. Just kidding.
Go, go, go.
Alright, you're last now, George.
Oh, fuck. Where are you guys going? You're just
That's
turning in
me.
circles.
Where are we going? Yeah.
Pick a bank and go up it.
This is cool.
Up to the surface. There we go. It's nighttime
Whoa.
this way, you're lost.
Nuts.
Yeah, let's get out of the water. We're a bit offshore. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I realised I could just sort of come back screaming if anything went wrong.
Yeah. Whew. Fuck yeah. Now this means that we can get...
Oh, there's people coming.
Oh, yeah. They really are. Yeah.
We cross over the water.
Here he comes. Look at his hat! Brains. Give me a wallet, bitch. Man, these guys are cool! Loving the paint, dude. Holy shit. It's all neon, it's like, yeah.
Oh, you can't gut these people?
Ah. I wanted to see. I didn't actually look at what you guys.
Can you see third person? Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry for offending your eyeballs. Okay. That's it. Just keep your eyes on it. Mitt. Just keep on looking. Watch the sun. Look at the. Fuck yeah. Okay, so let's do the next one. Or should we go back and break? I think we're doing fine.
Investigate sleep?
It's a brand new day now, so I've still got like stacks of energy from the energy bars. I think, yeah, I'd like to do the one that's up near the crash site, I think. Up the river. And that could be good.